Hello everyone! Welcome to our channel. Today we are going to talk about 4 future tenses together. The future simple, the future continuous, the future perfect and the future perfect continuous. We will compare all 4 tenses to highlight their differences and help you understand how each one is used. If you are curious about this grammar, stay with me until the end of this video. We will also have a free grammar quiz at the end to help you practice what you have learned today. Are you ready? Let's get started. Our first tense is the future simple. The future simple is used when we talk about immediate or spontaneous decisions. For example, this cake smells delicious. I'll taste it. The decision to taste the cake is made right at the moment. Forecasts and predictions for the future, usually with the expressions I think, I hope, I believe, I expect, based on our beliefs. I hope you will pass the exam. A hopeful prediction about the listener's future success. I like that film. I think I will watch it again. A prediction based on the speaker's belief about the film. Also, we use the future simple to promise and to offer something. For example, I promise I will not lie to you again. I will help you with your homework. Also, the future simple is used to talk about threats and warnings. If you keep shouting, I will ask you to leave the room. In the future simple, you don't need a lot of details about the time. When your prediction or belief is going to happen, it will just happen somewhere in the future. But our other tenses require time expressions to exist. Let's pay attention to another future tense, the future continuous. The future continuous tense occurs when we are talking about the future action in the process of its completion at a certain moment in the future. For example, this time on Monday, I will be studying at university. I will be cooking dinner at 6 o'clock tomorrow. Please compare in the future simple, I say, I think I will cook dinner tomorrow. In this example, I expressed my prediction or feeling about tomorrow. But if I add a specific time in the future, I say, I think I will be cooking dinner tomorrow at 6 o'clock. I expressed my action in the future. Now let's look at the future perfect tense. It is used to talk about actions which will be finished by a particular time in the future. I am talking about the future, and in my prediction, some actions will be finished by a particular time. For example, I will have completed my homework by 5 o'clock in the evening. By the time you come home, I will have finished cooking dinner. Now let's look at the future perfect continuous tense. It is used when it is necessary to emphasize the process of doing a future action up to a certain point in the future. For example, by 8 o'clock, she will have been working for 10 hours. By the end of the week, he will have been studying English for 6 months. Please compare all tenses together. I think I will finish my homework tomorrow. The future simple. This is a simple prediction without a specific time. I think I will be doing my homework tomorrow at 6 o'clock. The future continues. Here I am predicting that my homework will be in process at a specific time. I think I will have finished my homework tomorrow by 7 o'clock. The future perfect simple. In this example, the homework will be completed by a certain point in the future. I think I will have been doing my homework for an hour by 7 o'clock tomorrow. The future is perfect and continuous. Here I emphasize the action in a specific time in the future. By changing the time expressions and adding more specific details, we shift the focus of the sentence, whether it's about an action that will be completed, an ongoing action, or a prediction about the future. I hope this explanation was clear and helpful. And to check your understanding, please follow the link in the video description for our free grammar quiz. If you found this video valuable, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, as it really helps us out. Thank you for watching and see you next time!